In this video, you're going to see how I used Fusion 360 and Vetric carve Pro to create a timber finial for a local, I don't know what it is, like a prestige building. It's on an estate. The company that I do some work for have asked me to create these. There was 13 to make and extremely laborious. So with my Chinese CNC and Vetric carve Pro, I basically created them. So as you can see, I'm here in Fusion 360, just creating a sketch and then just extruding it through. You don't see here, but I actually then created that sketch, rotated it 90 degrees, and it gave you this. There's also those little sort of roundy bits that are added to it. Once I've created the file like this, basically checking that it's exactly as I wanted it, I've split the model in half. Therefore, I can import it into carve Pro, and it will generate a toolpath for half of it. A bit later on in the video, you see that I had to make a little carriage. So it went in one side, come out, got carved, flipped over, went back in, and then got carved, and then became a true 4D project. So in carve Pro, I've imported the STL model. I'm just now trying to work out where to place it in the model to get it correct. Here we are. Once it's at this stage, it's very, very simple. Vetric is a really brilliant bit of software. If you haven't got it for your CNC, I absolutely recommend it, having used a few different bits of software. So you basically click on the toolpath, it's going to ask for a roughing pass. There's a 10mm end mill that I've got in my CNC. Click one button, few parameters, there you go, it's created a roughing toolpath. After this, I then save that toolpath, go into the file again, create a finishing pass with a 6mm end mill, and again, a few buttons, a few things, away it goes, create a finishing pass. Once it's at this stage, there was one more step. This one had a very detailed little star in the actual round circular bit. I then created that in Fusion 360 as a DXF, imported that into Vetric. You'll see there's something a little bit strange with Vetric where it sort of imports it on the bottom of the model, but it also knows that the top of the model is the correct place to carve it. I couldn't quite work this out. Watched a few videos and you see it on the bottom there. It just doesn't quite work out, but the software knows what it's doing. Create the toolpath like that, create the pocket, create the tool, press a few buttons in the menu. Here we go, just checking through, and it's created the star pattern. This was really, really quite clever. I was quite impressed with this. The next bit of the video, you're going to see the carriage. So I've made the carriage. It worked out my X and Y, set the machine to go, run the toolpath, and also I just had to sit and watch the machine do its bit here. This is where it's doing this roughing toolpath. The next one, you'll see the finishing toolpath, and it goes through. I'm not going to sit there and talk over this bit because, quite frankly, voiceovering a video is very, very difficult, not to keep saying and ah. Have a look at the video. Please like. I'd love to do more of these videos. I'm a furniture maker by trade. I'd love to get into the YouTube side of stuff, to create some stuff, be able to film it and let you guys see it. But here we go. Enjoy.